Hello everyone, and welcome to my corner of the world. I don't know about you, but when I'm working with my scissors and my piercing tools, I often find I get adhesive accumulate on them. They get a bit gucky, mainly cutting tear and tape or just snipping some dimensionals. And in the case of my piercing tool, I have a tendency to use that to pick up glue dots as well as to pick up some of these smaller dimensionals, and they do start to get a weeny bit gucky. So if you can see, you probably can just see there, I've got some adhesive build up, and it starts to affect how well they cut, but also it kind of seizes them slightly. So I'm going to share with you my tip for getting them clean. And for this you're going to need kitchen paper towel. I'm working on a plastic bag so it doesn't soak through to my workbench. And I use Goo Gone. And it just, as it says, removes sticky, gummy, greasy, gooey problems. And I've got all of those as far as these scissors are concerned. So working on a piece of kitchen paper towel, I just leave them slightly open like this, and then I'll give them a spray here, and I'll make sure that they're kind of got some both sides. So I'm going to flip these over and then just give them another little spray. There we go. There. Now I might leave those for about 15, maybe 20 minutes to let the adhesive thoroughly soften. So I got some that I started earlier. I have a class tonight, so that's why I was degucking my scissors and my piercing tools. So all I'm going to do here is to just wipe them with a piece of clean kitchen paper towel, just to get the residue off, like this. And finally this one, and I can feel straight away that the gucky's gone on them. And then with my scissors I'm going to wipe along the blades, making sure the blade is away from my fingers. I have had one or two cut fingers in the past through not being careful. And now I can see that these blades are lovely and clean now. If they still had a bit of gooey on them, I would give them a bit more of a spray. And then with the I just cut into the paper, and that just seems to clear any residual Goo Gone that might be there. So I'm just going to do this one again, making sure I got my blade well away from my fingers, the sharp side, and have a quick look. And they were only sitting there for about 10 minutes or so. I think we're good there. And then just take my paper and just sort of cut in, and that will just get rid of any residual Goo Gone that's there. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this tip on how to get your scissors and your piercing tools unguckified. That is a word, believe me. And thank you for joining me today. I appreciate it. Look forward to seeing you next time. Bye for now.